How to change the name of any document on PowerPoint mobile app. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is so simple. Just go to PowerPoint. Now this is the home page, as you can see right here. Choose a document. For example, I'm gonna choose this one right here. It's called presentation. Now all what you have to do is go here in the top corner, click on those three dots, scroll down and click on save as option. Now change the name from here and add any name you want. For example, test, and choose for example OneDrive if you want to save it to your drive, and click save right here, and it will be saved with this name, as you can see. Very easy and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you later.